Have you ever wondered about the silent crisis unfolding beneath the waters of our oceans and rivers? Beneath the shimmering waves of the Philippines, a diverse array of aquatic life dances in a waltz of survival and splendor. However, an unseen threat is simmering below the surface. Our marine friends are facing challenges that are pushing them to the brink of extinction. Overfishing, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change, these are the adversaries they face every day. These aren't just faceless threats, they are the result of our actions. Overfishing depletes their numbers at a rate faster than they can reproduce. Pollution and habitat destruction rob them of their homes, their breeding grounds, their very life source. Climate change alters their environment, making survival a daily struggle. The vibrant underwater world of the Philippines is under siege, and the beautiful fish species that call these waters home are silently vanishing. Dive with us into the underwater world of the Philippines as we explore some of the most endangered fish species in the country. Imagine an underwater world teeming with colorful, diverse, and beautiful fish, now becoming a fading memory. In the Philippines, two species in particular encapsulate this tragic tale. The tawalis, a freshwater sardine, and the Napoleon rasa, a vibrant reef fish, are both on the brink of disappearing forever. The tawilis, a small silver sardine, is a species found nowhere else in the world but in the mystical depths of Taal Lake. With its slender body, reaching up to 15 centimeters in length and adorned with a single dorsal fin, the tawilis is a sight to behold. But its numbers are dwindling, primarily due to overfishing and the invasive introduction of non-native species into its unique habitat. Now, let's dive into the turquoise waters of the Philippine reefs and meet the Napoleon wrasse, a flamboyant creature marked by its thick lips and a prominent hump on its forehead. This large, vibrant reef fish, known to grow up to 2 meters long, displays a stunning array of colors, from a juvenile's intricate light blue-green patterns to an adult's deep green-blue hues. Sadly, the Napoleon wrasse's mesmerizing beauty is its downfall, as it's highly sought after for the live reef food fish trade, and illegal, unregulated fishing practices have led to its severe decline. These species, once abundant in their natural habitats, are now teetering on the brink of extinction. The loss of the tawilis would mean the end of a unique lineage, a freshwater sardine that evolved in isolation within the confines of Taal Lake. The disappearance of the Napoleon wrasse would not only rob the reefs of one of its most charismatic inhabitants, but would also disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, as this species plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of coral reefs. The dwindling populations of these beautiful creatures are a stark reminder of the damage we as humans can inflict upon the natural world, and the urgent need for conservation efforts to safeguard these and other endangered species from the threat of extinction. These species, once abundant in their natural habitats, are now teetering on the brink of extinction. The fight for survival is a harsh reality for these endangered species. On the front lines of this battle, we find a collaboration of forces working tirelessly to tip the scales in favor of these aquatic marvels. Government agencies are implementing stricter fishing regulations, creating marine protected areas, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Non-profit organizations are not far behind, conducting research to understand the needs of these species better, raising awareness about their plight, and rallying public support for their protection. Local communities, the gatekeepers of these habitats, are being empowered through education and livelihood programs. They're being taught how to coexist with these species without causing harm, turning them into active defenders of their underwater neighbors. These conservation efforts are like a beacon of hope in a storm, a testament to our ability to come together for a cause that transcends us. But the battle is far from over. The fate of these species lies in our hands. What if you could make a difference? What if your actions today could help save these species from oblivion? Imagine a world where each one of us steps up, making conscious decisions to protect these underwater marvels. It's not as difficult as you might think. Supporting sustainable fishing practices is a significant first step. Choose seafood caught by methods that respect the environment and the species that inhabit it. Understand the journey your seafood takes from the ocean onto your plate. Reducing pollution is another crucial part of the puzzle. Be aware of your waste, recycle whenever possible, and reduce your plastic consumption. Our oceans and the life within them are not meant to be a dumping ground. Lastly, spread the word. Share your knowledge about these endangered species and the threats they face. Ignite conversations and inspire others to join the cause. Remember, every action counts. Together, we can ensure that these underwater treasures continue to thrive for generations to come.